Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. We brought to your attention, Pope Leo XIV, in a video message, condemned a massacre in Yelewata, Guma Local Government Area, Benue State, Nigeria, where around 200 people, mostly from rural Christian communities, were killed with extreme cruelty on the night of June 13 to 14, 2025. This event highlights the ongoing violence in Nigeria's Middle Belt region, where conflicts often have religious undertones, with Muslim herders and Christian farmers clashing, leading to significant loss of life and displacement. The Pope's appeal for security, justice, and peace in Nigeria underscores the severity of the situation, especially given that the victims were internally displaced persons hosted by the local Catholic mission. This massacre is part of a broader pattern of violence in Benue State, known as the food basket of the nation, where attacks by herders have disrupted farming and caused widespread insecurity, despite legal measures like the 2017 anti-open grazing law that have yet to be fully implemented. The international attention from the Pope contrasts sharply with the lack of response from Nigerian authorities, as noted in related social media reactions, reflecting a growing frustration with the government's handling of such crises. This incident, occurring in 2025, indicates a continuation of the violence that has persisted despite previous international condemnations and local efforts, suggesting a complex interplay of ethnic, religious, and political factors that exacerbate the conflict. Now watch and listen to Holy Father Pope Leo XIV. Thanks and stay tuned.
Nella notte tra il 13 e il 14 giugno, nella città di Yelewata, nell'area amministrativa locale di Guma, nello stato di Benue, in Nigeria, si è verificato un terribile massacro in cui circa 200 persone sono state uccise con estrema crudeltà, la maggior parte delle quali erano sfollati interni, ospitati dalla missione cattolica locale. Prego affinché la sicurezza, la giustizia e la pace prevalgano in Nigeria, paese amato e così colpito da varie forme di violenza. E prego in modo particolare per le comunità cristiane rurali dello Stato di Benue, che incessantemente sono stati vittime della violenza.